Shivoham, 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 Shivoham. Guruji, that among the Mahavidyas, Dhoomavathi is encouraged to worship only if you have lost everything. What you have to lose, you know? We really don't have anything. What is there to lose? You know, only if you lost everything, is it true? Or even a happily married and having a good times, they can also connect with mother and worship. So this Dhoomavathi is the highest energy. Before creation, that smoke energy means before creation. What was that energy? That is what we call Dhoomavathi. Highest spiritual light she is. She is a grandmother, guide you and take you to the highest level. So we are connected her to the Ketu. Ketu is a planet for spiritual thing. So where she is very, very blessing for us. So don't have any conditioning. Ask her to come as your mother, guru, and guide you. Then she will take care of you. Do not worry about anything. And actually you don't have anything to lose at all. Only you can lose your ego consciousness on the spiritual path. Nothing else. Mother don't want money, no? Whether Dhoomavathi need a money, whether she need a relationship, whether she need your body, no, nothing. What you are going to lose? Nothing you are going to lose. Mother don't need anything. If you are going to lose, you will lose your ego consciousness. And that is for your highest good. Mother is going to do it. So, you can do the Dhoomavathi Sadhana without any fear. Don't worry at all. Shivoham, Shivoham, Shivoham.